Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let us do the last part of the study guide, cumulative review section. Please make note that on this test, the cumulative review will be worth 20% of your grade. It will be that way all year long, so make sure you know the study guide's review section. If you do not know, you need to ask questions. Those of you that are doubling up in advanced algebra and geometry, a lot of this stuff will be geometry concepts. Please ask your geometry teacher about them, and you can also obviously ask your advanced algebra teacher about them. So you are still responsible for knowing the cumulative review. All right, so this first part, given that the angle DCE is an inscribed angle, determine the measure of arc DE. So we've got the inscribed angle, that's this right here, and we want to know the arc length. That's this. Well, super easy. All you have to do is double the arc length. So all we need to do is take 2 times the 22.5, and that's going to give us 45 degrees. So the measure of arc DE is 45 degrees. That's it. Write the notation for one chord given in the diagram. Okay, the chord is what I have in green. There are 2 of them. They are line segments. So we could say CD, and then we need to put a line segment symbol above it. That's one of the chords. You could also say DC. You could switch those letters around. Or you can say CE. Again, you could switch those letters around, but the chord symbol looks like that. Make sure you do the appropriate symbol. That's it. Okay, number 43, draw a 45-degree diagonal on the graph below. Determine the slope. Well, 45-degree angle is going to cut, so right here at the origin, it's going to cut that in half. So basically, I'm just going to go ahead and put some dots like this, up 1 over 1. Okay, that's going to cut that in half, so that's the diagonal. Okay, so I'm just going to draw this like this. Okay, and I've already said that it's 1 over 1, so the slope of that is 1 over 1, rise over run, or just plain old 1. Okay, last one, number 44, draw a vertical line on the graph. Okay, it can be anywhere, so I'm going to draw a vertical line. Let's say right here's my vertical line. Okay, any vertical line on the graph, what is the slope? Okay, the slope of a vertical line, remember, is undefined. The reason it is undefined is because you have a rise. The rise could be anything. Okay, the rise could be just 1, or it could be 10, or it could be 100, whatever. The rise could be any number, but the run is 0, and you cannot divide by 0. So we say the vertical line, the slope is undefined. Now, just as an extra, real quick, a horizontal line, okay, if I have a horizontal line anywhere on my graph, then the slope, remember, would be 0. All right, that's it. Good luck on the test, ladies and gentlemen.